confused and I don't understand. What is the difference in between all the V dollar? So when do you have to use like V dollar temp five, V dollar control five, V dollar log
Okay.
five? Yeah, all those V
All right. You remember when I was giving you the steps to carry out any user managed backup, be it cold or hot? There is one step in which you need to know the location of your file. For example, if I want to know the location of my data file, I will select them from VDollar data file.
Please,
If I want to know
can I record it before you start over because I really have to
okay,
go through this.
okay.
Really
So as
confused.
I was saying, when we're doing the user managed backups, be it hot or cold backup, when I was giving you the steps to carry
Yeah.
out a user managed backups, I told you that you need to know the location of your file. For example, if I want to know the location of my data file, I will query my VDollar data file. That means I'll select name from VDollar data file. If I want to know the location of my temp file, I will select name from VDollar temp file. If I want to know the location of my control file, I will select name from VDollar control file. I have a question for you guys. If I want to know the location of my window logs, what am I going to query? If I want to know the location of my window log, what am I going to query?
Record.
Is
Excuse
it
me?
V dollar log files? Log file?
I don't understand.
Is it going to be V dollar log file?
I mean, what is the statement?
Renata, can I record?
Ah, the statement. Select log from V dollar log file. Select member.
Select what?
Member.
Exactly. So I just wanted to see if you guys understood, because it is not the same thing for the window log. If I want to know the location of my window log, I will not select the name, but I will select member from VDollar log file. Marinette, have I answered your question? And there is another thing you guys need to know. We don't recover the temp file. For example, when we are doing
Renata, excuse me, but it
signal,
seems you are very far from your, I don't know if your file, it is your speaker. It's not very clear. It's breaking.
okay. So I was saying that when we're doing the scenarios for recovery, for example, the loss of a non-system data file, like I think temp file is a non-system data file. If they don't recover temp files. I don't know if you guys have practiced it, you will see that we don't recover temp files. So this is just something you have to know. Marinette, I don't know if I've answered your question, but I hope so.
Yeah.
Any other question? Any other questions? If you guys don't have questions, I have questions for you. If you guys don't ask questions, I understand that
So
you understood.
I'm not really. I mean, I didn't really solve all my issues, Renata, because the problem I have is I don't really know when to. I mean, I know that with Arman we select the block all from the data file, control file, temp file, and log file. But I would like to know the difference between all those files.
When you talk about the difference, that means you want to know what a data file is, what a temp file is, what a control file is and what a redo-log file is, or I don't understand.
Yes, something like that. Because the difference.
Okay. For example, data files. I'm just gonna take basic example. You remember in DB when we're creating our table space, when you
The microphone is
create
breaking down. It's not easy to.
Renata, are you at home?
Oh, I'm not at home.
I thought so.
That's why.
Yeah, that
Sorry,
one.
guys.
If you're in a car, then you should reach home now. Are you driving?
I'm not driving, but I'm in the car.
Okay.
That means when I'm talking, you guys don't understand it.
No, we are getting you, but it's breaking.
Down. It's like you are really far from your microphone.
Okay. So I'm just gonna take basic example. For example, when we're creating table spaces, right?
Yeah.
And, what we put inside table spaces are data files. For example, if you take your script to create a table space, inside the table space there are data files. I mean, the one where, if for example, if I want to create a table space Silver Spring, in Silver Spring I'll put data file Silver Spring 01.dbf, Silver Spring 02.dbf, Silver Spring 03.dbf. This is for the data file.
Yeah.
A control file, you just need to know that a database has two control files, without which you cannot mount the database without control file. You cannot open the database without the control file. So it is basically the structure of the database. Without the database, you cannot mount without the control file, you cannot mount the database. And it is two control files in a database. Now you have the choice to multiplex your control files. For the redo-log, a database has 3 redo-logs. You remember when we created the database on TPCA, there's a part where you have to edit your redo-logs. So we have 3 redo-logs. A database can open if there is no redo-log. But if there is 1 out of 3, the database can open. If there is 1 redo-log out of the 3 redo-logs that the database must have, the database can open. If there is 2, the database can open. If there is 3, the database can open. But if there is none of the 3, the database cannot open. The temp file, it is a temporary file of the database. So the one putting the temp file, the database doesn't come with any temp file. You're the one who alter your database and add temp file. It can be 1, it can be 2, it can be, I think, 3, but I haven't yet tried 3. But you're the one putting the temp file inside the database. So this is for the data file, temp file, control file, and redo-log file. Whenever you want to back up your database using user manage, you need to know the location of your database. If I want to know the location of my template, I'll select name from BitDollar template. I cannot want to know the location of my template and I select name from BitDollar data file. It doesn't make any sense. So if I want to know the location of my template, I select name from BitDollar template. If I want to know the location of my data file, I will select name from BitDollar data file. If I want to know the location of my control file, I will select name from BitDollar control file. And if I want to know the location of my BitDollar, I will select member from BitDollar log file.
Okay. Okay, thank you. I got it now.
Okay.
Thanks.
So, any other question?
You just do the assignment now. Have you done all the assignments already?
Emerald did assignment 6 and 7 yesterday. So it's on the video that Takisa just
If
sent.
nobody has a question, I always have questions for you guys. So I guess everybody participating.
What do you say? Can you say it again?
I said if no one has questions, I'll be asking you guys questions from what we've seen on user manage and Alman backups.
Yeah, we're asking. We are getting. Anyway, we're asking people. I don't know.
Okay. The first question is which user managed backup requires the database to be in an archive lock mode? I repeat, which user managed backup requires the database to be in an archive lock mode?
The hot one.
Exactly. The hot user managed backup requires the database to be in an archive lock mode. And how do you set? What is the command to set your database to the archive lock mode? What is the command? Go ahead.
Alter database. Archive lock. Now those things are too easy. Doing difficult things.
You
should be solving.
They are
You should
not
be
difficult.
solving.
If you practice, you make it not gonna be difficult. Okay.
I've never done that hot backup. I've never done Agman backup. That is I wanted to be seeing it as I do it. Things of structural things will not come in the interview.
Or the hot backup will not come on the interview?
I mean, like the question that Canada is asking, that they will ask you in the interview that how to create archive log. Hey. So that you have 5 year experience and I still ask you that kind of thing. Anyway, I guess I said when you said that when I said I have 7 years experience, they cannot be asking me what is archive log.
They can, and if you don't answer, they won't give you a job. Believe me, you cannot say you have 7 years of experience and you don't know how to put your database in an archive log mode.
Let me tell you how those kind of questions begin to come when you say that you have 7 years experience. Those kind of questions begin to come when I've asked you the difficult ones and you don't know. They start asking that is this guy even Oracle certified? What is Oracle? They start asking because the difficult ones that you should know, you have not known. That is why I ask you the simple ones. They're already disturbing you.
Okay. Whenever I want to perform a user managed call backup. No, whenever I want to perform a recovery after I have done a user managed call backup, where do I copy from to where? That means if I want to issue the copy command, I'm going to copy from where to where. I repeat my question. If I want to do a recovery after a user managed call backup, when I issue the copy command, I'll copy from where to where.
If you want to recover, if you want to restore, let's say restore.
No, if I want to perform recovery.
Your recovery,
location to is it your physical location to your current? I don't even know how I can put it.
What do you people usually call live location?
Exactly, it is from the backup location to my live location, the live location of my database.
Yeah.
It is from the backup location to the live location of my database. I repeat. If you guys need to put it in your head. Whenever you want to perform recovery, you need to copy from the backup location to the live location of your database.
Is there another way that you can copy from the backup location to another area? I'm just asking, like the way.
Yeah, that is the question that I wanted to ask.
Because the way you insist, I want to know if maybe somebody did it before, or maybe there's another
The
location.
problem is that when you're doing a call backup, right? When you're performing the call backup, you're copying from where? From the live location to the backup location, right?
Yeah.
Whenever you're doing a call backup, whenever I'm backing up, it is let me just put it in simple words. Whenever I'm backing up something, when you want to back up, you back up from your live location to your backup location, right? If I want to do a backup is a copy. It's like a copy of your database. If I want to copy my database, I will copy from my database to the backup. Let me just say it like that. I will copy from my database to the backup. That means from the live location of your database to the backup location of your database. This is for backups. If I want to do, if I want to issue a recovery, like if I want to recover files from my database, I will copy from my backup because I cannot copy from my live location anymore. If I have performed a backup already, I'll copy from my backup to my live location. But if I want to do a backup, I'll copy from my live location to the backup location. You guys don't need to be confused. You just need to know that whenever I want to do the backup, I copy from my live location to my backup location. But when I want to do a recovery, I copy from my backup location to my live location. So it is basically two different things, two different terms and two different commands.
I understand. I mean, for me, I think the best way for you to know without being confused is just to understand the words themselves. If you know what is backup and what is recovery, trust me, you will mean like knowing where to copy and where to do.
Okay, let me just say something. When I want to do recovery, if I want to recover my backup, the first thing you need to know is that if I want to recover my backup, that means my backup doesn't have anything. That means my backup is empty. For the ones who were there when we were doing the user managed backups, before doing recovery, I deleted everything from my database. That means that my database is empty. So if I want to do recovery, I must copy from my backup because there is nothing in my database. I need to copy from my backup to bring it back to my database.
Exactly, that's the same thing. That exactly, I understand you perfectly.
Okay.
I understand.
When I recover, my database is completely empty. There is nothing inside. So I want to take the files or whatever you want from my backup and bring it back to my database. So I copy from the backup location to my live location, the live location of my database. So this is for backup and recovery concerning the user managed call backup. Okay.
And after the recovery, you must restore now.
You recover after you have restored. You recover after you have
restored. Sorry.
Okay.
Hey guys, does everybody here know hot backup?
Me too. Okay,
hot
backup.
Let somebody share the screen and we'll be learning this thing as we are going.
Another,
share your screen. Yes,
everybody, I'll just reach home now. So I'm going to connect to my laptop. Just 1 minute or 2 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, David, can you share your screen and you just want to do that?
I can do it.
Okay. All right. No problem.
Finish.
Okay.
We are doing hot backup now, right?
We're doing all the backup. So, if you guys have database, trying to create database, that's the reason why the last class, I don't know, the last meeting empty databases. That means a new
Renata, it looks like you are stressing where you are. Eh?
Oh, the fact
It
that I'm
looks
not,
like
I
your
don't know,
microphone is
I
not
don't
good.
like I'm shouting for you guys to hear.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It looks like you're stressing too much.
I'm shouting.
Are you far from home? Maybe you can come and we are doing it. Some of us have an idea. Maybe if you can come, you can join us before we start struggling.
Oh, I'm 1 hour away from home.
Ah, you 1 hour? Oh man. I can really feel you struggling.
I'm just
Will you shout like that for the next 4 hours?
Anyway, let's wait for people to join with her computer. Then we prepare your database. You're gonna do the next one, and Sakisa gonna do the backup too.
Let me leave this one. Okay. Okay, I'm there. Hi, everybody.
Okay, baby, share your screen, please.
So, Nalda, where are you? Your voice looks like you are underwater or something.
I'm not at home.
Oh, you're not home?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So I'm sharing my
Yeah.
screen.
For
You need
once,
me to open one database, right?
Okay, baby, I'll make it a host because you need to share your screen. So.
for once, it is Renata that is not in front of the laptop. For once, try.
So for the second, you are the one who's going to be on the
They were always the ones on the phone.
our
Us
emerald
attending.
there. She's our emerald.
Yeah, always there for us.
Yeah, she's helping. So sometimes we don't understand. Especially when you do have a lot to do. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Okay, I'm there. Nalda. Consolata, come, please. Please, come. Okay.
Hey, baby, starting to put in.
Let me change my appearance for once. Oh, let me connect. I'm sorry. Let me make a connection between the school and the. C'est quoi ça, c'est bazar? Why he doesn't want me to change it? Oh, my put is not opening. Let me see. Student.
Okay, Babish, before the class ends, I want you to verify your database had problems the last time. I want you to see whether you have the ADOM files, because I think you were missing the ADOM. That's why you had those problems.
Okay, let me see. I don't know, apply, change, right? I need everybody to see. I don't have, let me see. Okay, that's fine. You need me to connect to which database?
I mean, you can do it. I just want you to see whether you have ADOM on those databases. You can do it on WinSCP later.
WinSCP?
You can do it on WinSCP after the class.
Okay. Is which database? TLS DMO?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Which backup are we doing now?
Okay, baby, you're gonna do the hot backup.
Hot backup?
No, the cold one, the first one. The cold user managed backup.
Okay. So there is a difference between all
I
these.
gave you the steps the last time, so.
So the code backup. So the difference is only when we are doing the difference between hot and cold. The hot backup, I have to go to operating system first. Let me see. Okay, you said the code backup, right? So we have to CP first. What we have to remove?
No, I'm talking about the cold user managed backup.
Is it different with the code backup to perform a recovery?
There's the cold Alman backup. There's the cold user managed backup. I'm talking about cold.
So I don't know which one. So which is the consistent one? Code backup when the database. When the database.
Another name for cold backup.
So you need me to do which one? When the database is offline?
Yes. When the database is offline. That's the cold one. Or you can say consistent backup.
Yes. So the one thing is I have to create a directory or shut down. Let me see. Select name for.
Okay, whenever you do a step, you explain, explain your step.
So I'm going first to check to know the location of my data file, I think. Exactly. Select name from $.
Yes.
Is $. database?
No. Select name from $. data file. There's no spacing between $. and data file.
Yeah.
One word.
Mm-hmm. Data file first. Okay. So I do have a demonstrator.
Okay. The remark that you guys must make is that a database is in /CLSDMO. So this is the reason why you are querying the data file, the visual data file, to see the location. Like querying what is
Oh my God, Renalda.
This data is in /CLSDMO. So you can go ahead and select name from visual file if you like.
Just temp file, only temp file, or I can put status. Let me see. You guys, you have to help me. Don't sit and look at me like I know. Why they said the temp file is not existing?
$3 temp file, $3 temp file.
I do have one temp file.
That's fine.
So you said last time we have to shut down, but I heard the mail say we don't shut down the consistent backup. We can create the directory. I'm going to create the directory for the backup.
Which there's a space in between /overdata and -PV.
Oh yeah.
The way you are starting to create that directory, is it correct? In SQL?
I have to put it, just tell me where I have to put exclamation, that's it.
All right, put exclamation, baby.
Yes, thank you. So the way they say that is because we are working together. It's supposed to be on, but it doesn't matter. For a data backup. TLS TMO. Okay, the next is just on the CDLC, so I can list as can see. It's already there, right? So do I have to list? No, to list is on operating system. So the next step, I think I have to CP before doing any copy to shut down my database.
No. You guys have to excuse me. I have to change it. So apparently we don't need to shut down the database to do a backup. If not, the backup won't be consistent. So the part where I told you guys to shut down the database, there's no shutdown about no shutdown immediate. So you need to remove all the shutdowns. If not, your database will not be consistent. Your backup will not be consistent.
So we have to copy.
Yeah, you don't need to copy. You don't need to do any shutdown. You need for hot or cold backup.
So we are going to copy /data, I think /backup, /to-c, and to schedule the call backup.
Yeah.
So tell me if CP also needs exclamation.
Because it does. It is an operating system command, so you need to exclamation sign.
You need exclamation, huh?
Yes.
Because it's SQL. CP slash Oradata. There is space between the CP. I forgot. Okay, let me see. I think it's slash Oradata slash backup slash TLS demo. The name of the database. We are going to copy slash.
1 second.
I don't hear. Say it
When
again.
you do the backup, you're copying from the live location. I mean, this is what I was trying to explain.
Oh, I was driving.
Okay. You're copying from the live location to the backup location. That means I'll copy from Oradata slash Oradata slash TLS demo to slash Oradata slash backup slash TLS demo.
To slash backup.
I
Say
copy from the live location to the backup location. What is
So
your live location?
you are copying from your Oradata directly now to your new backup directory that you have created.
So my Oradata, and I'm going to copy from where? From TLS demo.
Oradata slash TLS demo.
Exactly. To your backup location.
Because that's where you have everything, and so you are copying copying
okay, slash Oradata slash LSDMO slash. I have to put again all.
Yes.
Slash Oradata again.
There's a space. Before putting the backup location. There's a space, there's slash.
Oh.
Yes, says yes.
Oh. Slash Oradata slash. I have to put
link
Oradata.
To your backup location now.
Is backup?
Your backup location.
Your backup location is the directory you just created.
Oradata slash backup slash TLSDMO.
I think it's okay. Why they say no search file or directory?
Because I'm sure that there's no slash at the end of TLSDMO.
Oh, okay. I made a mistake. So why they say again no search file like, or let me see, omitting a sign slash, let me see, Oradata here. So they say omitting directory, which is not.
Is it any space before Oradata after CP? I think it's
yes,
CP.
yes, that is right.
Yeah.
There's no space in between Oradata and slash.
I can see, yeah, I see it.
No, Bibish, no.
No.
There's a space in between CP and slash. Remove
CP
slash.
space slash no space Oradata.
Yes.
There is no space between this slash and the Oradata.
Yeah.
There's no space.
Oh, so. Don't tell me it's slow this time. Ça, c'est pas possible. Why is slow this time? That one, I need to.
It is also, it is a backup. Backup takes time.
Yeah, but that's okay. But I see like take too long. Let me pull that. I'm meeting a directory. So what are we going to do? We have to desk to see.
Wait.
I see like omitting directory.
Something is wrong now.
Yeah, because I put the directory / or data TLSDMO. I think it's supposed to be backup before, but no. CP or data cannot start or.
Maybe CD the two directories.
Say it again.
CD the live directory and the backup directory.
CD. Say it again.
CD the live directory and the backup directory. So CD / our data / TLSDMO, and you CD / our data / backup.
CD, I have to go back to the operating system.
No, you don't need to.
Okay.
Wait. Of course you do. You need to do.
You say CD / or data. /TLSDMO. Backup.
No, it is one by one.
Meaning
I wanted to ask something. Renata, this directory, were we supposed to create a backup directory as or a data TLSDMO backup or a data backup TLSDMO? Does it matter?
Actually, it doesn't matter.
so I have to CD first CD / or data.
There's no space in between / and or data. Yes, to see this / or data / TLSDMO first to see if it ends.
Check the other one, let's see.
TLSDMO. Backup. I think you have to put backup or what? Help me because I don't know.
Yes, you have to put backup.
CD / or data / backup.
No.
Yes. Yes,
or data / backup. Yes.
Wait a second.
I don't understand.
That means the backup already took place because this file is supposed to be empty.
Yeah.
The backup already took place.
You're talking about backup or the copy? The copy already took place, not backup.
The backup is a copy. When you issue the CP command, you do the backup.
Mm-hmm.
So the backup took
I didn't remove it. Remember?
Huh?
I
No,
didn't.
no, when you back up, you don't need to remove. It is when you
Yeah.
want to do the recovery that you will remove everything from the backup location. No, from the live location, I mean.
So the what do you call light location? And so the light
Okay.
location is,
/data/TLS-demo.
and from that place to your new database, to new direction.
Backup location, yes.
Yes.
So this is for the backup. So basically, that's for backup. She has the whole user managed backup. If anyone has a question,
That one I did it. It was a cold backup.
Yes.
So
that's all you need to do when they ask you to carry out a cold user managed backup. That's all.
It's not really complicated. So what?
So you can do,
Hello?
yes.
It means this cold user backup. This is it called user managed backup? Is it the same? Called is it Arman called user managed backup? Is the same thing?
It is not the same. It is two different things.
So
There are
we
two
need to
different
know.
backups.
Oh,
Arman
so
and
wait,
user managed.
I know. So we have another backup like Arman called backup.
Exactly. Arman code backup and Arman not backup.
So I need to know the difference because.
Oh, okay. I understand now. I understand. Arman is like if you want to perform it on Arman, but this one is like if you want to do it manually, right?
That one is not manual.
Exactly.
It's manually.
Arman is automatic. You just do list failure, advice failure, and event failure.
Yeah, but this one is like you are doing it manually at the job site, like.
Exactly.
Let me write it down because I don't need.
So basically, on this one now, the only thing it means is just to create your backup directory, and then after creating your backup directory, you just copy from your live location to your backup location. That's all.
That's it. You just create your backup directory or backup location, and you copy from the live to the backup. That's all. That's all about the cold user managed backup.
So tell me, that one you call it cold user manager?
Yes.
Cold user managed backup.
Cold user.
Like you are
yes.
code.
Yes. Cold user
managed backup.
So that one managed backup is different with Arman.
Yes. Because this one, the difference is like this one, you are doing it yourself now. Like you are you are typing all the things and doing it yourself. So Arman is like a tool now.
Okay, Arman
is like a tool, like
like Kudi
manager to do all those things.
Okay.
Exactly. You must also Arman is a software used by
Arman
Oracle.
is a software.
Yes, a software used by Oracle. So it does the backup automatically.
Okay.
Yes.
Used by Oracle. So because I wasn't really in that class, used by Oracle, do it automatically. I don't know if we can. I don't know. I see like we are quiet, but I think we should. I don't really understand some.
Okay, you can do the recovery too.
The recovery.
Yes.
Okay.
So you remove everything from your live location and you copy everything from the backup location to the live location.
Okay, Jazz. Give me a second. I'm going to check my notes. So to perform a recovery to call backup, we have to remove everything.
Whenever they tell you that perform recovery in your database, that means that the database is empty. In case of a crash, for example, your database becomes completely empty, and you want to copy from your backup location back to your database or back to your live location. So remove everything in your database. Remove everything in your live location. So you RM everything /ORData/TLS.
So I have to go RM all or RM/ORData/
RM all.
You want to start a hot backup?
No, she wants to make recovery.
Oh, okay.
So CP, you think he move only just now? Let me see. We have to copy, right? CP/. You said there is no space. Always I make that mistake. CP or data. I have to CP to see my backup.
Bibish.
Ma'am.
We didn't supposed to remove all from the live location. Do you supposed to drop RM all like that? Is that?
That's true.
I asked before doing that.
You remove everything. Okay, CD your backup location. Oh my
You
God.
see, I asked before doing remove /ORData remove all. You told me remove all.
Okay, CD your backup location.
Empty.
Empty. So CD your live location.
Data/. Yes.
No, it is
No.
/TLS.
Yes, data or data/TLS.
Normally, I'm sure they will be there. The files will be there because you remove them from the live the backup location. I told you now.
Yeah.
Okay, perform the backup again.
You have to do the same thing again now. Copy, do the backup again. /TLSDMO. Oh.
/all.
Yeah.
Oh, I have to do all the parts. Okay.
Yes. Start over. Or data again. /backup.
Is backup?
Yes. /TLS demo.
Now they say no directory.
Not the directory. What do that mean? Maybe because we already removed everything.
No, you are copying. You are copying. You are not CD.
It's a CP.
Oh yes, not CP.
CP.
Oh, you said CD. I didn't even see. Yeah. Oh yeah, it will take long.
No, it's not ready yet. Done. It's not yet done. Take times. Sakisa, international.
Sakisa is
Sakisa international. Grape juice again.
Sakisa sleeping.
Yeah, I can tell. Desmond, are you in the kitchen? Single man. You see Sakisa, today Sakisa is sleeping.
very soon. Let's not become with cocky or ice or you're supposed to share with us. There's more. Then you put like that.
Desmond. I see only 4 people today. Emma, no. David, Marinette, Renalda, and I. Joseph. Joseph is there. I know Joseph is there.
I'm here now.
Yeah, I know.
It's not Joseph who was talking to you.
No, I know it's Joseph.
Oh.
I just forget. It's Joseph. I was looking Sakis International.
No, get out of the table. Get out there.
Take time to do that backup.
Tout aussi ne fonctionne pas bien.
They say omitting directory.
Means that your path is not the right path. Maybe you want to check your
Yes.
path again.
Yeah. Because they say omitting directory before slash or a data is CP. Let me say it again. CP slash.
Bibish, that's the same thing that happened the first time now. Just go and check.
No.
That's
So,
the same thing that happened. Just check the directories.
so that's why I'm trying to check the directory.
All right.
CD.
So what is the problem?
Omitting directory here they say that.
That's not a directory. You have to say the CD, your backup directory, your backup directory.
So my backup was TSDMO, right?
Slash or data slash backup slash TLSDM.
So it means like I don't have it.
That means your backup has been done.
Yeah.
So you can now go ahead and remove everything from your live location. So you have to rm all slash or data slash TLSDM.
So why they say no such file or directory?
It is rm all slash space slash or data slash TLSDM. Joseph, Desmond, Marinette, David, Takisa, please, you guys should be looking at what we
Oh yes, it's no space.
Where?
All, no space before all.
I don't think so. You think like that?
No,
Like this?
it's okay, it's
No.
fine. No,
It's always space. There is a space.
All, now space slash or data slash space. No. It's a space in between all and slash.
No.
Space,
No.
space.
Yes.
Oh.
Why they say it's a directory. So we cannot remove a directory.
You have removed it. If you leave and there's nothing, that means you've removed it, right?
But why they say here cannot remove slash or a data TSDMO?
TG slash or data slash TLSDM and list. Okay, see now the backup location. Okay, do RM all. You don't put any space in between RM and all. RM all slash our data slash TLSDMO.
You see the RM?
Okay.
RM, I remember always there is a space between RM.
Okay. Try again and put the space. Try again and put the space.
No such
No,
file
put
on
the
that.
space in between slash and slash and all.
Here.
No.
Okay, I see.
RM space all space slash or data.
No start file of directory. They say it's a directory. If it's a directory, you cannot remove
Okay,
it.
Bibi is trying to
But
close
so
your.
TLSDMO is the directory?
Oh, Bibi is trying to put the slash at the end of TLSDMO.
Oh yeah.
It's a directory.
The same thing.
Fish. Hello?
Yeah.
Can you try going to the directory, right? Are you into the directory now?
Yeah.
Like when you are in the directory, you just type RM all. It's not going to remove them.
No.
We did it, remember?
No, that one before, it was because you were in a different directory. That's why you removed the ones in that directory that you were.
Bibi, I'm requesting remote control, please. I want to try something.
When do they put when do they use the CTL?
Use CTL when you want to use
CTL is control file.
Control
Huh?
file.
CTL is for control file.
Oh.
So if you just run it now like this, the way it is like that.
They say it's a directory, but there they say, yes, you see, you cannot remove that directory. Yes, I think you have to remove directory.
Yeah, I think this one will go.
Remove a directory.
Yes, I think that's it.
Oh, you want to edit?
The directory is not empty. So meaning
Oh.
that, yes.
Yeah, that why he doesn't want to remove.
So we're gonna try until it's going to work. So Yeah, there is a TSDMO there.
Okay, good. So I've removed everything in the directory. So as I was the last class when we were doing those basic DB1 things, this is, for example, this is one. Normally, I know that for my DBA work, I know that RM is just for 5. But we've been using it in DB2, RM everything. RM. But normally, you don't RM a directory. You RM dir if a directory and you RM a file. You mkdir a directory and you touch a file. So this is why we got this error.
So we're supposed to put RM there.
Yes, for a directory, and you remove a file, you RM a file, you RMDIR a directory, you mkdir a directory, and you touch a file. Okay, so that's the reason why we had that error. Now our directory is empty now. We can go ahead and do the recovery. I will give up the remote control if you continue.
I didn't understand. So instead of
I didn't get her too either.
yes, instead of using RM, we have to use RMD.
Okay. RM is when you want to remove a file. Okay. RMDIR is when you want to remove a directory. It's the same as when you want to create a directory, you mkdir. When you want to create a file, you touch. When you want to remove a directory, you RMDIR. When you want to remove a file, you RM. So the RM command is for a file, RMDIR is for a
That one
directory.
I know.
Yes. So this is the reason why when you
Yes,
when
that's
we're
why
doing
they said that it's a directory because we are using
exactly.
we try to remove it as a file.
It's a file, exactly. So basically that's it. That's why we need to know those DB1 stuff. We don't have to neglect it. So maybe you can go ahead and recover. Yes, I'll give up the remote control.
They give back. Yeah, thing. So for recovery, I think we have to do what we have to do. Alter database begin backup.
To do what? You want to remove it or to recover or
Recovery is simple. All you need to do is copy from your backup location back to your live location. So you copy from our data/backup back to our data/CLSDMO.
I don't really catch those.
You want to copy
is
everything.
it DP/ or a data
CP.
or CPO?
Want to copy everything, so put the everything command, all command. Yes. Back to the live location where we just removed everything. So you want to copy it back.
I think that the command.
Yes.
Yes, we have to put slash on the end.
No, they say no such file or directory. CP or a data backup. So we are copying now from the location to the live.
We are copying from. I don't understand why we are copying
from the backup location
from the backup location
to the live location.
Plenty people don't get opportunity for the crisis, eh? Very badly. I'm trying.
Thank you. Thank
There's
you,
an
Des.
employment now, so we from 400 to more than 1,000.
Thank you, Desmond.
I hear you. I hear you.
Hey, we want to come from backup location to the right.
So the backup location.
Is space in between slash and all. Slash.
I thought that is CP/Oradata/backup. I mean, the same like she's doing.
So you said there is a space there?
Where?
Yes, just write like this. I don't know if it's gonna work. Put a space in between the other ones. Yes.
Oh, what happened?
Meeting a directory. TLS DMO.
Maybe no CD your slash data slash TLS demo.
CD.
That is the same.
I tried to put that slash because I see. Somebody has an idea? Jos.
Joseph is gone.
It's babysitting.
I'm here. I'm here.
Et c'est comme si ma tête là commence à bouger.
I thought that was.
Look,
Maybe you should do a CP space or a data
slash backup slash TLS DMO slash all Oradata slash TLS DMO.
That is what we have been doing.
So we have to, do you think we have to shut down the database?
No, they said that you should not shut down.
That one we are not.
When we are doing backup.
Okay, baby, try and shut down the database.
Yeah, because we are recovering.
Okay, baby, try to shut down the database. Just Joseph, just for please, you guys should participate, please. It is not just marinate and please.
Am I not participating? Why do you want me to participate again, Mama?
Papa, put your more.
I mean, when we have an error like this, you need to say something. Make a remark.
Shut down immediately.
Yeah, shut down immediately.
Yes.
The fact first is like, has anyone, Renata, when doing it, have you encountered this before?
No, I
No.
haven't.
We are trying, you know, even me, to tell the truth, this backup and what, I wasn't really there. So I'm trying. When they say share your screen, I need to learn. So that's why, but my head is somewhere else.
After you put this Thursday classes, most especially, like, I cannot always be fully participating because I'm a little bit occupied. That's why, mostly, especially Thursdays. So that's why.
And you said that we should shut down because we are recovering?
I think it's share, when you
Yes.
finish, you can, yes, we can shut down. And we're gonna do start up with desk, the backup, and see again. It's only 8 something. We didn't.
Well, I have a question. When can we put just like SHU instead of shutdown image? Is it any different?
No, there's no difference.
No.
Oh, okay.
You can put shoe, you can put short, you can put shut down.
Yeah, it's a shortcut.
Okay.
It takes time.
Yeah, just, and it's not even.
You know, yesterday I see like people stay online like 10:30. I was there. I went out.
Oh, but
Yes.
they were doing the.
When I come back, they're still doing the same stuff. I was like, wow.
They were doing the assignment.
No, I know that I said until 10:30. They was waiting for the connection, like the server.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
because that guy, it was Che.
Yeah, she.
Yeah, he said that he doesn't understand, so they have to have him all the way.
So why is taking too long?
I don't know, and it's just 8 o'clock. We won't be able to even do all the
I'm learning too, you know. We are learning.
Of course. When
So I don't know really, I didn't really get the armor. I can have some ideas, but I don't really get it like now that she's explaining, no, to tell the truth. Ça demande la concentration, tout ça. Finding really somebody to explain.
I want to really know the difference between the core backup, the ARMA core backup, and then the hot backup.
I think we are, they said the difference between cold backup and hot backup. I was asking that, I write it down here. I see like that group, they really get it, really nice.
Oh, yes.
Yes, Anita, Marie, and Natu, they're working it really hard. So I think we have to, the difference, let me see. I write it somewhere. The difference first is the cold backup and the old backup, you know, that one is online, the old backup, it requires the database to be on archive log mode. And we don't shut down the database, you know, for the old backup. But for the cold backup, I see it's offline. When it's offline, you can shut down. Let me see again. The cold backup is like 2 types of user manager backup, consistent backup, cold backup, and offline. So what is the difference? Cold backup is when the database is offline, it requires the database. When the database, it requires the database. First thing to do is you need to know your location of your file. That one is when you are performing a code backup, because your database is offline. You can do a backup offline, but the backup, you don't do the offline backup. It's when your backup is online and running.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it requires the database to be on archive log mode. I think Seigneur, qu'est-ce qui se passe avec shutdown immediate? Immediate means that use the cloning. It's really slow. Somebody can try. Maybe your network is I don't know.
Maybe it's do Control-C and shut down again.
Sorry.
The next time you try to open your database, you're gonna have a problem.
Yes,
It has lost the connection. When your database becomes slow, like okay, baby, shut down again.
okay. Who cannot open the specified control file. Control file data tensor are unable to open a file. Startup mount.
Yeah. Hmm. How can you say that you should shut down again? Okay, start up now.
Babies, as I was saying, whenever you try to connect again, they will have an error. When you see it become this slow, that means that your database has lost the connection. So you need to do one process. Try and you see the error.
Control-C or Control what?
No, try to start up your database, shut down a bot, and you start up again. They will tell you that your Oracle has lost connection, something like that.
You are no longer connected to Oracle, maybe. Is there?
Okay, start up mount or start up.
Identify the check control, check alert log for more info.
Okay, we'll go to alert log and find the problem and solve the problem. Desmond Joseph. Desmond Joseph.
So is RDBMS?
Yeah, this is me. This is me. I'm right here.
Yes, I'm not participating.
You know that I like to I'm participating when it is already more than you. Then I come and think too.
Okay, can you just help Bibish? Sakista Joseph David, please. You guys should be participating.
Okay, what's the problem now? What's the problem, Vish?
Oh,
Okay.
Error in
She needs to
identifying
go.
control file.
Yeah.
Where's your control file, Bibish?
I don't know.
Is this a database that we've been using?
Yeah.
Check alert log for more info. Let me check this out. Control file. Are you sure that your control file is in that drive?
Everything was corrected.
Can you just go back? Can you just go a little bit to that directory? Let me check it out. Your live location. No. Just exit from there. Let me see something. Error in identifying control file. Go to your cd/oradata/TLSDMO. Let me see what is there.
You need to see?
Yeah, cd/oradata/TLSDMO. LL, please. There is another. Okay, cd/TLSDMO.
David.
Live location, right?
Yes.
Please.
Where are you?
I'm listening to you.
Is this your live location?
Change tracking.
I'm tracking for I did my assignment 6 on it.
Is this where your redo logs and everything is found? Okay, CD again. Let us enter inside and see what's inside.
CD what? TLSDMO?
What I'm seeing here, change tracking, huh?
That one is my.
Where are your redo logs, your data files, and everything found? Control file, everything. Where do you keep it?
It's not our data.
Yeah, we're in our data. We are not seeing it, right? We're in our data and we are not seeing it. That's why I'm asking. Are you seeing it? I'm not seeing it.
Because we remove everything, right? So we are going to perform a recovery. So when we remove everything, so that the problem comes from. You see the control file was there.
Yeah, but it means you haven't put it back where it was supposed to be.
No, we didn't, because we was doing.
We were trying to recover it, but
now to recover that one, you don't see the redo. You see everything were there.
You are doing code backup. You don't really need any form of recovery. You just need to restore those files in there.
So Renata said we have to perform a recovery. So that's why.
Yeah, Renata, you say we need recovery for this? She's doing code backup. She doesn't really need to perform a recovery. In as much as the database was shut down, she can just restore those files, copy them, and send them to the new directory.
I think I do have a problem.
Where's your,
It disappeared.
Okay,
it disappeared. Everything disappeared when I was trying to mauvaise manipulation.
Whoa. Click enter like 2 times. That's how they already do this.
Hello.
Hello, Renata.
What happened? Did you solve the problem?
No.
Yeah, Renata, she's telling me that you said that she needs to recover. She's doing code backup, right? She just needs to restore.
Call backup already.
She just needs to, yeah, but I cannot find the files in the directory.
To recover, you need to delete everything from your live location. So that's what we did.
Okay, now we need to restore them back before you can identify the control file.
Okay.
So you would go and CP everything from the backup location to the live location now.
That one?
Okay, that's your backup. Okay, yep. I think, yeah.
You see the
And
problem
now,
we had?
yeah, the system does not lie. It means that there's a directory that is missing. Or a data slash backup. Wait, what does it say? It says cannot start. No such for directory exists. Okay, can we just go back to? Can you just go back to your system exit? Let me check out something. Okay, cd slash raw data. LL, please. Man. Okay, it means that in principle, the next we should see a directory called backup. Can you just go up? Yeah, that's a directory called backup.
You need to see it?
Had you written it in capital letters or what?
Here, to see it like on. I'm writing on uppercase.
Okay.
Lowercase.
Okay.
Lowercase.
Can you just see it too?
Okay.
It means that, in principle, it means that there is no TLS demo in there. No, just make CD. Yeah.
Oh, this is TLS demo.
This is TLS demo.
Yeah, see, she has many TLS demo backup, TLS demo image copy.
So because I did my my assignment, so that's why you see I did the image copy with that DM.
Ibish, you did your assignment and you don't know this thing. Yeah,
I did my.
I'm suspecting you.
No, I did the assignment with this database TLS DMO.
But where are we now?
We are on TLS DMO.
But that's what I'm saying, that if you did the assignment, you should be teaching me all these things now.
Not really. I think we got everything at the same time. They can teach you, but you don't.
Okay, LR, please. It means there is no TLS DMO in this directory. There is.
There is TLS DMO.
And then why does it say that? TLS DMO. Okay, just go back up. Let me check out something, please.
To check what?
Let us look at that directory that they said was not existing.
Wait, please, excuse me, Desmond.
Yeah, bro.
Has she checked the backup? Let her open the backup. Do we have stuff in the backup location?
There's nothing in the backup location. Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Then what are we trying to back up if there's nothing in the backup location?
No, we are trying to restore. We are not trying to back up.
Oh,
okay, just open TLS demo. Open TLS demo.
Wait, go back. Let me see the computer issuing down.
You see whether there are things in the backup or not. This is not the backup one. It is the backup location. So you need to say this /data/backup/TLS demo.
Yeah, because if nothing is there, then what are we trying to back up? Are we trying to remove from?
No, we are trying to bring them back to the live location.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If you are trying to bring back to live location, means you are taking from the backup location to the live location, right?
Yes, the problem is that it indicated that the part that she showed does not exist.
But if there is nothing in the backup location,
no slash. You don't need to put slash. Just put enter. Let's see.
That's it. You
don't need to put the slash. Okay, enter. LL. Is that we are trying? They told us that the part that she used does not. There is nothing in the backup location.
You see. So that's what I'm asking now is, was she trying to do CP or data / backup/TLS demo to the other side, or she was trying to?
Yes, exactly. That's what she was trying to do.
Wait a second. Something is wrong.
That's
We've
what
done
I'm
the
trying.
backup.
People are not getting. It's like people are not getting what I'm saying. Bibish, can you go up and see? Let me see what you are trying to issue. What you're trying to do now.
If it means that maybe Bibish sent that back up to the wrong location, maybe you want to
No,
go
no,
down
we
that-
did together. We did together.
All right. Yeah. This is it here, right? It says CP/oradata/backup. There is nothing in this backup location. So what are we trying to move now from this?
Yeah, that is why the command failed. That is why the command
Yeah,
failed.
that's what I'm trying to
Okay, Bibish. Wait, something is
Can we just go
somewhere.
back again and look at this thing
Because-
up, right up?
No, see the live location. Because I remember we removed everything from the live location, and if there's nothing in the live location, nothing in the backup location. That means you can't do anything anymore. See your live location.
Is it CLS or TS?
Oh, sorry.
Nothing. Then it means
Okay.
what are we trying to
That
do?
means your database cannot do anything anymore.
Huh?
We cannot recover if it's empty.
We cannot recover. When we recover from a backup. That's the same thing that happened to Anita yesterday.
There is
So
nothing.
everyone removed everything.
Maybe because it's a call. Maybe because it's a call backup, because you were doing call backup with your database the other day.
No, whatever you want to do, meaning code, hot, almond, or whatever.
So meaning I lose everything, right?
Yeah.
Lose everything in that
Thank
TLS
you.
demo.
Next time I'm not gonna
But
give
I
my.
want to
Oh,
understand.
maybe because we remove all.
Yes, we remove everything. So that's the problem.
Can I just?
No. You know why? The first time you did it, you removed the ones in the physical, right?
Yes, now I want to the logical.
Then now we do not restore it, but you went now again doing it now. You went and removed now again the backup. So that's why you do not restore any of them. You remove the first one. You instead remove the other one again. So you empty everything.
Can I just?
Because you remember the first time you did it, you did not recover, right?
There was nothing in the backup location the very first time we tried and we checked. There was nothing in that backup location.
No, the first time we did, there was something in the backup location. We checked, it was there. The very first time we tried doing it, we saw everything in the backup location. So we were trying not to remove. So she instead removed everything in the live location. And now when we wanted to adjust it, she went on now and removed everything in the backup location too without restoring any of them. Or
I didn't see when she removed things from the backup location. That's the thing. I'm not. Baby, can you just be going up your screen? Let me just be looking at those commands again, just so that we.
Just take control. You can take control.
Okay.
Because I lose it.
Like, let me explain. You know what happened?
Yeah, let me just look at the history of everything. We'll go down together and see exactly what happened.
You will not see it again here now. I'm not sure.
Can you just give me control?
That is what happened to Anita yesterday.
Thank you.
Can you give me the control?
Just request. I didn't see.
Okay.
Yeah, just request.
I'm sorry, I don't know how to use this.
We did backup, right?
The
code backup, and it was successful. We did a backup, it was good. So I think we wanted to do now recovery, right? So something I wanted to do recovery now. So in the process for us to do the recovery now, that's when, because to do recovery normally
don't
now,
close the
you must at least like remove now the files that you have in your live location. You understand?
Yes.
So you will use now the ones you have in your backup to recover, to restore them back in your live location. Are you understanding?
Yes.
So when, instead of removing now from the live location, I think we instead made a mistake now. We instead went and removed Instead, we went and removed the data, the files in the backup location, which we already backed up. You understand? So
Yeah.
now we had to do now the backup again. So when they did now the backup, now they wanted we did not restore. You remember now we did not restore the ones that they removed. They did now the backup now again. Now they wanted to remove. Now they went and removed again the opposite. So everything now is gone.
You know the advantage. Let me tell you the bright side of this thing. It means that you are going to do again these things all over, and you are going to know better. You understand?
Yeah.
Let me tell you something. Maybe people are reading this database as if you want to graduate. The thing about this database is for you to know. Forget the fact that people will know before you or know after you. Know what you are doing. Forget about the assignments that you have done or you have not done. You see, I told you in the very beginning that I don't understand that you have done the assignment and you don't know what is going on. Because I don't think it's normal. If you have done any assignment that concerns backup, the least thing you should know is code backup. So it's even God that has wanted this thing to be like that, so that you go.
Says God.
God.
So that you go. You start doing your code backup yourself. You create your directories
You
yourself.
don't
You
just
do
go and
these
run
things.
script. Don't run script.
No, I didn't run script.
What it means is that somebody helps her. Somebody helps her. Somebody helps you to do it. Okay. The boss, if prof comes the whole day, he cries that, oh, Desmond. Well, see, simple example. Renata, you see the other day, prof came there. Renata, you have not done the assignments. Renata knows at least. She has not done any of the assignments. She has not put it, but she knows. That is what is important. You understand what I'm saying? It is not prof that is going to give you work because he has seen you doing assignment. It's not prof. Nobody will ever know that you have ever done assignment for prof. Prof is not even going to give you a recommendation. Prof is just going to make a resume, and that resume should prove that you can work. So, in fact, I'm even very happy that this thing happened to you. You just go, you just go now, and you create TLS demo. You create 1 or 2 files. You don't need to go and create all those table spaces. Just create 1 or 2 table spaces for the sake of practicing, and you come and start doing your recovery all over. You understand what I'm saying? You do your code backup yourself. Do it yourself. Because let me tell you, I'm very annoyed here since you are telling me that you did this assignment and you don't know how to do code backup. I'm very, very annoyed because you should know it. So go and do your assignment yourself. Maybe next time we'll meet in the group. If you have any problems, we do it together. Code backup, not hot backup. Code backup. I don't know hot backup. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah, I think God has blessed you today. I really think so. Hey, Bibish. I know that it must be very annoying, but I'm telling you the bright side of it. We all of us do it together.
All
In
right,
fact, my
I think
LS
what
demo is gone.
Desmond is saying is really c'est très pertinent. Also on the girlfriend.
Very pertinent.
Like what he's saying is really true. We really need to know what we're doing. Like for example, Bibish is saying that she did it. Doing it is something, understanding it is another thing. So before coming in a class, we have to make at least an effort to go through what we're gonna do, because me doing it every time doesn't pleases me. I understand, I know. Okay, but what about you guys? What about you guys? So everybody needs to know what he or she is doing. The backups, I know that at the end of the class, I'll finish to do few other people will help me doing it. We finish the class, but what is the goal? Nobody understood. It doesn't make any sense. So we need to know what we are doing. We really need to understand. Go through your works, read, practice. There's no magic in this miracle. I promise you guys, there is no magic. The more you practice, the more you understand. Practice makes perfect. So we need to know it. Emerald told us that last time, and I told you guys last time, there's no more. DB2 is finished. DB2 is finished. The most difficult part has It's remaining less than a month. And in that month, there's a 1 week for, I think it's 1 or 2 weeks for exam. 1 week, something like that. So DB2 is finished. After DB2 is project, after project, you guys are going to the interview. What are you going to do to the interview if you don't know anything? DB1 is the most difficult part in this database. DB1 has passed. You must ask yourself a question. What did I remember or what did I learn from DB1? What did I learn from DB1? If I get at least 1 or 2 questions from your interview is going to come from your DB1 work. What did I learn at the end of my DB1? DB1 was more than 3 months. You did more than 3 months of classes without any script, without any someone telling you the command or what. Ask yourself the question, what did I learn from DB1? If you did not learn anything, you just go back, you just started there. That's chapter 1, so you just go back and do it. But at least you guys need to put yourself in questions, ask yourself questions, go back to your DB1 exam. We had at least 5 question papers. At least 5 question paper. If you can answer all the 5 question papers, I mean you're good. DB2 is just a revision. All those chapters we're doing in DB2, we did it in DB1. Database link, we did it in DB1. Alman backup, user managed backup, we did everything in DB1. Even the SQL fundamental, we did it in DB1. So we really need to get more focus. The group meetings, some days 3 members are coming, some days you guys are not coming. It doesn't places me because I do sacrifice to be in the meeting every single day. I am in the car right now, but I needed to start the meeting. I could have started the meeting and make someone the host and get out of the meeting, but I did not. So we really need to put more efforts. We really need to put more effort. Practice. At least 5 minutes a day. At least you practice for 5 minutes. Just for 5 minutes. You even put your database in, I don't know, multiply it in your control file. You close your database, you go to sleep. The next day you multiply the video file or you create some file. Because honestly, if I have somebody that create a table space, like just create a table space, more than 50% of more than half of the group cannot do that without a script. Honestly speaking, more than half of the group cannot create a table space without a script. You must ask yourself question. There's no more time. We are left with less than 2 months. With less than 2 months, you'll be going to the interview room. What are you going to answer? What are you going to do at work? So we really need to put more and more effort. Some of us are occupied by our work, our jobs and all those things. But the most important thing, if the job was important, we will not have come to do database. If we are doing the database, that means we want to get a better job. So if you were doing, for example, a 12-hour shift, take your manager and get even 10-hour shift or something like that. You really need to put more hours in these classes or group or anything. Because some days we are 3. I'm talking Marinette Desmond. Some days we are 3 in this group. That means the whole other group and is not there.
No, don't say someday you are 3. I used to be there only that day. Remember, I used to be there. Don't say only.
I understand, but it's not the first time that I am doing the class with Marinette and Desmond. It is not the first time.
Okay.
Some of them, they don't even say anything. They don't even write any text to say that no, I'll be late or I'll not be there. Like Roman, the next time Roman will come in this group, I swear to God, he will not like it. So let him just stay outside. Because it is really not fair, man. Most of us are doing so much effort. Marinette is working how many shifts, how long, but she's always in the meeting. The day she's not there, she'll write something in the group to say that I'll be late, I cannot be there. And other people just come and go. Roman and stuff, just tell them not to come even. Let them just stay where they are. Because it doesn't make any sense. We really need to put ourselves in question. Practice, create table spaces, create all the basic things, create even a directory. I can ask a question now. That create a file. Some of us don't even know how to create a file. A simple file, touch command, remove a file or remove a directory. And it is so normal. It is so normal because as long as you don't practice, you cannot do anything. It is not magic. Everything is not magic. You guys, you see me, some other people, I know that you know. Another doesn't know. I don't know more than you guys. I don't know more than you guys. We've done the same classes. We've started at the same time, and we end at the same time. So it is just because I do practice. I practice a lot. You guys need to practice. There is no magic. No magic. The more effort you, when you're putting effort, nobody will tell you that because you know. You will feel like you will feel, and it will be. You will know that you're not wasting your time. You will know that you're not wasting your time. Everyone left why? Because he felt like he was wasting his time. I'm not even sure that he's taking the DB1 classes anymore.
So everyone is on DB2?
Everyone. No, he's not in DB2. I'm not sure he's in DB1 either.
But I see one person with Aaron name.
Excuse me?
I see somebody on the last time with Aaron name.
Exactly. And even me, sometimes I see him in a group, the class Zoom meeting, but I don't know because he wasn't doing any effort. Honestly, he wasn't doing, and even if he was doing the effort, it wasn't enough. This thing, it is not even difficult. It is just practice. Whatever you want to do, it is practice. Really, for example, if I come in the class now, I would like tell you guys that we just be creating fire. Somebody will say that no, we're not at the level of fire, but it is important because it is something you can easily forget. You can easily forget the command to create a file. You can easily forget the command to create a directory. If I ask you the question like, what is the difference between mkdir and mkdir minus pp? Some of us don't know. We just put in mkdir minus pp without knowing what is this command all about. What is the difference between this command and mkdir? So we really need to practice. Doing it is something, but understanding what to do is perfect. I promise you guys, if you put yourself, be walking, walk, and if you sleep, okay, then you will sleep. When you become TBA, right, you just put your computer on and get into your work and go back to sleep. There will be a time when you will sleep, like sleep, but this time it is not a sleeping or joking or whatever thing we were doing. You have to stop, like put yourself in question, be working and be working. I promise you that TBT exam, it's not even something that you can scream because TBT exam it is troubleshooting the errors. For example, let me just give you one question. I go into your database, I remove one of your non-system data file. It is one question you have to troubleshoot. You have to know that in this database I've removed one data file. Just need to list the failure in our math. Takisa, please mute yourself.
Oh, okay.
As I was saying, TB2 is troubleshooting. Don't ask your question to do this or do that. No. They remove one non-system data in your database and they ask you have to troubleshoot. You have to know that, no, in this database, I've removed one non-system data file. You list the failure in normal and you recover the data file. That's TB2 exam. It doesn't take you one day. It can take you as long as 1 week. If you're not concentrated, it's sometimes the TB1 exam, the TB2 is 2 times. So just know how long you took to finish the one exam. That's what you pay by 3. You have to pay. You take to finish TB2. So we really need to put ourselves in question. We have to work. It is really not pleasant to go and start a meeting and nobody is there or 2 people are there when we are more than 11 in the group. So you guys, please. I'm doing it for the sake of the whole group. I'm doing it for the sake of the whole group. So just to complete what this one was saying, anyone has a question? If not, I'll end the meeting and you guys will go and practice.
Renata, that conclusion was more than the body, eh?
You know, I tried today in TB1 book, so you guys need to read your DP1 stuff because that's what we'll be doing on Saturday. So, anyone have something to say, to add? Any problem? Any something?
You crushed my database, right?
Excuse me?
What happened to my database?
Your database has
The TLS-DMO. Huh?
Your TLS-DMO is fine, but it has no file, so you just need to drop it and create a new TLS-DMO. Also, you guys need to create your scenarios. Let me just take an example. Let me share your screen. Because I'm in the host, I want to show you guys something.
Okay. So tomorrow we do have class, so I have to do it early. So the problem with this class is not people are done. It's only the time and people has to focus. That's the way you guys are saying, just to read and to practice more. That's it. But we understand. Understand everything. It's only to focus now on this.
Finish running the host.
Is where, let me see everything. Okay, give me a second, Hinalda. I just try to see participant. Okay, Hinalda. Okay.
Okay. So, this is what I wanted to show you guys. As much as possible, these are scenarios and these are basically interviews questions. They will not ask you what is this, what is that. But okay, for example, if I ever get this error, I cannot have this error and be stuck on it because I have this scenario and then whenever I get the kind of communication channel, this is what I do. Okay? Whenever I get error 03113 end of communication channel, this is the step to follow. Whenever I get this error, okay. Whenever I get this error 09817, right to audit 5, this is the step I follow. This is the diagnose and the solution. Same thing for this one. Unable to create audit file, you diagnose, you solution, and all those stuff. I cannot be stuck on these errors again. And I'm doing it as much as possible. Whenever I get an error and I know the solution, I just do the diagnose and I do the solution. Meaning that I cannot be stuck on this error anymore. For example, so this is just to name a few. This is just to name a few since I've started. And I know that you guys haven't been doing your scripts anymore since Emerald did not share share the script or whatever. You guys need to be doing your script. For example, the Hikabi catalog. This is the script for the Hikabi catalog. Create the catalog, click on our register database. This is how you learn. Doing your own script. You don't need to wait for Emerald to send the script or whatever. What is there any new script? But the user managed backup. This is my backups. If one day I can go back to my script and I'll see the part or see what I want to see and query it, the updates that we did in SQL Fundamental. If I want to update the table and I've missed something, I can come back to my scripts. You don't need to wait for everyone to send the script because it's not going to send any script anymore.
Even for DB1.
For DB1, she's not going to send your script, and you have to know that at the end of DB2, Prof is going to take back his winnership and all those stuff. So you guys are not going to stay with this. I hope you guys know that. So all the scripts you have there, you need to put it inside your computer because it's going to take back his winnership and his server. So it is just a call for consent. It's just a call for consent. If you want to create, for example, where is my create? If I want to create my database link, as we did, the first thing we did in DB2 was database. I come here and I have I'm not waiting for Emerald. I'm not waiting for somebody to ask me to create because I need them and I'll always need them. So every single thing. Set. I think I have this set. Okay, these are my parameters. So your scripts need to be bulky, guys. You need to work. Okay, this is to duplicate. If I want to duplicate using create or insert command, this is my script. I want to do what again? So basically, that's it.
You know what are we going to do? I think like we have to work together, like the way you said. Some people can understand, some people maybe they're behind. We can be behind for something, we miss a class or we miss a place, we didn't really get it. And when we come back to the group, we have to share the person who knows that the way you try to help everybody or to help the group to move forward. So I think we should be, everybody should participate. It's not only Renalda or when we don't really get the problem, we think we have to help each other. It's a good idea. The way she says.
So for example, I don't know, someone said last class, if for example last class there was a meeting and you did not attend the meeting and you wrote in the group that, sorry, I won't be in the meeting because of this or that. If you come today, I am capable and I am willing to take back the whole class of yesterday because you told me that you were not going to be there. But if somebody doesn't say anything,
yeah. So you know, because
whatever.
I do have a problem, like I can say, you know, sometimes we are in the group or we are in class, but we are moving, right? It's not I'm just there. Sometimes we do have a problem. Everybody has something. So you cannot really get the class, but when you just miss one class or you miss the part, it's like you miss everything. You miss everything. Yeah. And to reach that gap again is like you have to make some effort together. So I think we should go again back, or we can just share which part I don't understand. And when they make it clear, I think it's going to be clear for everybody. Like the way we did today, Arman, and tomorrow I have to go, or tomorrow I have to go back or to read my notes. There is no magic the way you said, because everybody, we went to school and we know. It's only study. If we don't study the way we are doing, I'm doing that too. I'm busy in the house. I have to do that. We have to go there. So it makes me like I'm behind now. Especially for this DB2, I'm out. I don't know why.
Okay, guys, my battery is low, so I don't know if you guys need to do anything.
So I was out for some few, maybe like 10 minutes. I didn't. So finally, do they recover your TLS DMO?
No, they cannot recover.
Oh.
They cannot recover. At least if what comes tomorrow or yes tomorrow with a solution for Anita's problem. From there we can know.
Oh yeah, what to do?
Yeah, because it is the same situation.
Yeah.
Okay. So Desmond, Joseph, Sakisa, Marinette, David, Ibis, thanks for your time. Thank you for
see you on Saturday. Saturday is what time?
Thank you.
Okay, Sakisa, you were there?
I'm there.
No,
but why don't you talk? Why don't you talk? It's like you don't want to talk, and it's not good.
A lot of noise to my apartment.
Then
so.
go to your room, Sakisa. What are you doing in the living room with the whole family?
You have to move. Go to the bedroom.
Yes. All the time when I hear the noise, I'm asking myself if you don't have a room, go to your room.
I will set also office to my room. My office is in the living room.
It's not office. It's not office. You have your laptop and you can carry and even sit on your bed and everything will be quiet.
Okay,
yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do next time.
Next class, please be prepared. I'm not alone. I'm not talking alone.
Professor Renalda, you are not talking alone. You are helping your people.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the meeting.
Thank you so much.